As a female service provider, marketing your business involves more than just sharing your expertise. It's about creating a connection with your audience. One of the most effective ways to do this is through video content, specifically by utilizing short clips, also known as B-roll footage. Let's dive into how you can capture, organize, and utilize this B-roll to enhance your marketing strategy. What is B-roll and why is it important? B-roll often refers to supplementary footage that enhances the primary video content. Those candid, behind-the-scenes shots that adds depth and context to your story. Keeping a collection of B-roll can make your videos more engaging, relatable, and professional. It shows your audience the real, unfiltered side of your day-to-day life, building a stronger connection overall on all social media platforms. Capturing B-roll daily routines. Documenting your daily routines can provide a treasure trove of B-roll footage. Here are some moments that you could possibly capture. Morning rituals, journaling, reading the Bible, making your bed, doing your hair and makeup, brushing your teeth, yoga, breathing exercises, whatever it is that you do in the morning. Starting your day, turning on your computer, filling up your water bottle, making or pouring a cup of coffee or tea, making or eating breakfast. Fashion moments. Your sense of style can speak volumes about your personality and brand. Capture these fashionable moments. Outfit ideas, mirror selfies, full-length outfit shots, close-ups of accessories, shoes, and putting on your shoes. Accessorizing, putting on a hat, putting on your earrings, jewelry, grabbing your keys, putting on your purse. Fitness and outdoor activities. Show your commitment to health and the great outdoors with these B-roll ideas. Workouts, walking, running, lifting weights, Pilates, yoga, swimming, you might have. Nature. Hiking, camping, biking, smelling flowers, watering plants, gardening, getting in and out of the car. Pet moments. Pets add a nice, warm, relatable touch to your video. Consider capturing daily interactions. Playing with your pets, walking your pets, feeding your pets, bathing your pets, or their funny, naughty type moments. Tech and gadgets. Show your savvy tech side with shots of daily tech use, like typing on your laptop, filming on your cell phone, texting, calling friends, Zoom meetings, watching TV, eating popcorn, or when you're at the movies. Urban and social life. Share your city adventures and moments with these ideas. Cityscapes, walking around your city or countryside, taking a taxi or an Uber, dining out, driving, or socializing. Dinner with family and friends, time in the living room, at the dinner party table, singing karaoke in your living room, doing dishes together, or playing board games. Home life. Invite your audience into your home with these cozy moments. Home activities, cleaning, organizing, homeschooling, showing what you eat, reading to your kids, reading a book, reading on your Kindle, family movie night, you name it. Organizing your B-roll. To keep your B-roll organized, create a dedicated album on your cell phone. Label each clip with descriptive tags so you can easily find them on your cell phone when you need to use them. This organization will save you time and make your video creation process so much smoother. Utilizing B-roll in your marketing. Once you have your B-roll footage, use it to add variety and interest to your videos. Incorporate these clips into your social media posts, website, and marketing material. B-roll can serve as engaging transitions, background visuals, or highlight reels to keep your audience captivated. By consistently capturing and using B-roll, you'll not only enhance the quality of your content, but also create a more aesthetic, authentic, and engaging experience for your audience. So start filming those everyday moments and watch your marketing soar. I have created a cheat sheet down below that you can go ahead and sign up for at thepinterestqueen.com/B-roll. Have a great day.